Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you about how the Charlie crying sound effect triggers me. So when Bing Season 2 aired in 2019, there was an episode called Halloween, and in that episode Bing and his friends were wearing costumes. Bing was the dinosaur, Sula was the fairy, Hondo was the pirate, Coco was the evil queen, and Charlie was the lion. And when Bing scared Charlie in his dinosaur costume, Charlie started crying, and that really triggered me. Same goes to Story, where he started crying at the beginning of the episode. However, I like the Bing series, but I don't like Charlie crying. I prefer him laughing. Anyways, by pure Penguin fans.